Are you a beginner woodworker looking for easy projects to combine style and functionality? Then consider making wood stools. Wood stools have become an essential component in modern homes, serving both functional and aesthetic purposes that enhance living spaces. Their versatility, durability, and timeless appeal make them a favorite among homeowners and designers alike. As a woodworker, understanding the importance of wood stools can open avenues for creativity and profitability, allowing you to create items that not only meet market demands, but also resonate with personal craftsmanship. One of the primary reasons wood stools are so important in modern homes is their functionality. They serve various purposes, from providing extra seating in kitchens and dining areas to acting as decorative accents in living rooms and entryways. Their compact size allows them to fit seamlessly into small spaces, making them ideal for urban dwellings where efficient use of space is crucial. This adaptability means that wood stools can easily transition from casual settings to more formal environments, making them a versatile addition to any home. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of stylish wooden stool design ideas for modern homes. Easy woodworking projects for beginners. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Moreover, wood stools contribute to the overall aesthetic of a space. The natural beauty of wood brings warmth and character to a room. Different types of wood, finishes, and designs can dramatically alter the ambience of a space, allowing homeowners to express their personal styles. Whether it's a sleek, modern design or a rustic, handcrafted look, wood stools can complement a wide range of decor styles, from minimalist to eclectic. This aesthetic flexibility makes them a popular choice for interior designers looking to create cohesive and inviting environments. In addition to their visual appeal, wood stools also provide comfort and ease of use. The ergonomic design of many stools allows for comfortable seating, whether for a quick meal at the kitchen counter or for mingling with guests in a social setting. This comfort factor is particularly important in homes where families gather, as it encourages interaction and connection. Well-designed stools invite people to sit, relax, and enjoy their surroundings, enhancing the overall experience of home life. From a practical standpoint, wood stools are incredibly durable. A well-crafted wooden stool can last for generations, making it a worthwhile investment for homeowners. Unlike plastic or metal counterparts, wooden stools have the ability to withstand daily wear and tear while maintaining their structural integrity. This durability not only appeals to consumers, but also aligns with a growing trend towards sustainability in furniture choices. Homeowners increasingly seek out durable, long-lasting products that minimize waste and environmental impact, and wooden stools fit this demand perfectly. For woodworkers, the market for wood stools presents a unique opportunity for profit. The growing appreciation for handmade, artisanal furniture has created a demand for unique, high-quality pieces. As a woodworker, you can leverage this trend by crafting stools that stand out in a crowded marketplace. By focusing on quality craftsmanship, attention to detail, and innovative designs, you can create stools that appeal to discerning customers looking for something special. Furthermore, marketing your wood stools effectively can significantly impact your profitability. Utilizing social media platforms, online marketplaces, and local craft fairs can help you reach a wider audience. Showcasing your craftsmanship through high-quality images and engaging storytelling can draw potential customers in, allowing them to appreciate the artistry behind your work. By building an online presence and engaging with your audience, You can create a loyal customer base that returns for future purchases. Networking with interior designers and home decor retailers can also be beneficial for expanding your reach. Many designers are always on the lookout for unique pieces to incorporate into their projects. By establishing relationships with these professionals, you can position yourself as a go-to source for high-quality wood stools. This collaboration can lead to increased visibility in sales, as designers often share their favorite sources with clients and colleagues. Additionally, the trend towards sustainability and eco-friendly products offers woodworkers a unique selling point. By sourcing wood responsibly and highlighting sustainable practices in your production process, you can appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. Emphasizing the longevity of your products and the minimal environmental impact of wooden furniture can resonate with buyers who prioritize sustainability in their purchasing decisions. This alignment with consumer values can differentiate your stools in a competitive market. As you explore the potential for profitability through wood stools, it's also important to consider the craftsmanship involved. The quality of your work will ultimately determine your reputation and success as a woodworker. Investing time and effort into mastering the necessary skills, from woodworking techniques to finishing touches, will pay off in the long run. Customers are willing to pay a premium for well-crafted items that showcase artistry and attention to detail. In addition to traditional wood stools, there are numerous innovative designs you can explore. Experimenting with different shapes, heights, and functionalities can lead to exciting new products that capture the interest of consumers. For example, consider incorporating features such as storage options or multifunctional designs that serve more than one purpose. This creativity can set your work apart and attract a diverse range of customers. Moreover, participating in workshops or classes can enhance your skills and inspire new ideas. Engaging with fellow woodworkers and sharing techniques can broaden your knowledge and foster a sense of community within the craft. Learning from others' experiences can provide valuable insights into market trends and customer preferences, allowing you to adapt your offerings accordingly. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked, stylish wooden stool design ideas for modern homes. Easy woodworking projects for beginners. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.